uh, as we come together as a youth league in this evening, O Lord, we remember everyone around the world who is going through different problems. We are having a lot of issues we are facing, be it the virus or any other problems we are having personally or professionally. Oh Lord, be with all of us, guide us, O Lord. And today we are having a activity today, O Lord. Uh, be with everyone. Let us understand uh, what it actually means through you, O Lord. All this we pray in thy precious name.
Amen.
Okay, so now Vinish will lead us in a psalm.
Chapter I took for this evening is Psalms 91. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my God, in whom I trust. Surely He will save you from the fowler's snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and your rampart. You will not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in darkness, nor the plague that destroys at midday. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only observe with your eyes and see the punishment of the wicked. If you say, "The Lord is my refuge," and you make Him the Most High your dwelling, no harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near your tent. For He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread up on the lion and the cobra. You will trample the great lion and the serpent. Because he loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him, for he acknowledges my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I'll be with him in trouble. I'll deliver him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation.
Yeah, we'll lead a song. This is a song which Jibin is messaging me. He'll be a little late to join. Okay. Okay, so the song, let me just share the screen. This is a song which all of you know, so you can sing along in mute. Let me share. കാണാമോ എല്ലാവർക്കും?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Actually, you know the song? Okay, you sing along, okay? Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. When He rolls up His sleeves, the angels putting on the reds.
Our God is an awesome God.
There is thunder in His footsteps and lightning in His face.
Our God is an awesome God.
And the Lord, He wasn't joking when He kicked them out of Eden. It wasn't for no reason that He shed His blood. It's very close. You better be believing that our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. When the sky was starless at the void of the night,
Our God is an awesome God.
He spoke into the darkness and created the light.
Our God is an awesome God.
Judgment and wrath He poured out on Sodom. Mercy and grace He gave us at the cross. I hope that we have not too quickly forgotten that our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. വണ്ണമൊക്കെ കൂടിയോണ്ടേ ശ്വാസം എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. Okay, we'll go
Nice song, Ajay.
straight to the activity.
Nalla, sir. Yeah, all right, okay. I think, hello everyone. It's not an activity. ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഇട്ടായിരുന്നു വാട്സാപ്പിൽ. Did anyone get to see it? It was
Yes.
before. Like, has anyone not seen it? So, reason why I put it up in WhatsApp was, ഇവിടെ സൂമിൽ ഇപ്പം പ്ലേ ചെയ്താൽ it might be, stuck out in between for everyone. So, it was just a small talk. Like, I just wanted to share something that what I watched in the past month. Like, ഒന്നാമത് quarantine ആണ്, lockdown ആണ്. There's nothing else to do than watch videos, of course. So, അങ്ങനെ I stumbled upon a very good set of videos which kind of inspired me as well. Like, I hope everyone loves sports, right? Richie does. I know that Richie does love sports. We played, but we didn't get much time to play. That's the only thing. So yeah, sports is something which inspires me personally. So I thought that I could share a few videos which I stumbled upon. So do you think that I should share it right now in Zoom? Ado ellarum kandairunno. Anyone who hasn't seen it, I think I'll share it. Let me see. That's why I connected. Jeannie, can you on screen sharing for everyone, if you can? I think Ajatine മാത്രമേ ഇപ്പം പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ because you're the host. Yeah.
കിട്ടിയോ?
ഇല്ലല്ലോ, വന്നിട്ട് പോയി. I'm unable to share it on my laptop for some reason.
Yeah, try now.
Yep, kittunnundu. So I'll just share that video. I think you can see my screen right now. Phone screen up pedikanda. So I'll just play it. Second.
It was recording, I don't think. Volume.
There was a woman who became very, very ill. She got off the airplane. She had a common infection. We thought she was going to die.
So was it clear? Hello. Was it clear?
Do you think the audio was a little low, but it is clear?
Okay. Wait a minute. I think I wasn't able to share it through the screen right now. ഈ ലാപ്ടോപ്പിൽ ഓഡിയോ ലോ ആയിരിക്കും, അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ MP4 അങ്ങ് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്തത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. I think it's clear. It's clear, like
Okay.
it's
It's fine.
Hi Jibin. It's a video where it shows a sportswoman. Obviously, it's a swimmer. Like she, she got a medal, but it's the reason that she got the medal was because she was saved by other people. It's what I wanted to share this video of sports as well. And that was my beginning line. I forgot about it completely. So why this month, in this year, it was supposed to be a big month this year? Anyone knows why July? Something related with sports. July 2020. Yeah, Olympics. എവിടെ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? നടക്കേണ്ടതായിരുന്നു
Tokyo.
Tokyo, right? Correct. So it was supposed to happen on July the 23rd. Like, Olympics is something that everyone likes to watch. Actually, I like to watch because 200 nations, 200 countries minimum, and India is not very good at it in Olympics. At least നമുക്ക് ഒരു നല്ല ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു in 2020 because athletes are very good. Deepa Karmikar, who is running, and Neeraj Chopra, who is a javelin thrower. ഇവരൊക്കെ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് I was looking forward to it very much in the beginning of the year. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പം we can only see videos which have been happened before, like these videos which I played right now. So always sports is something that has we are always competing to be a better person every time. It's not a team game like football or cricket. Even if നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഡേ കളിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ your team will win or lose, someone will be blamed. But sports, it's like you have to have your own determination, courage, everything. So in Olympics, because it's an individual event mostly. So thing is, we will always be in competition with ourselves, right? Am I doing it right? Am I fast enough? Am I do heavy weighting? If it's weightlifting, എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ തന്നെ ഒരു step further, we will try to push ourselves. And if you fail, you're done. പിന്നെ 4 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞേ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. That's a very tricky thing about Olympics, which is there. So this video which I played is it's Laureus Awards. There is an award where the best sportsperson is selected every year. So because 2020 was a special year, coronavirus karanalla, just because 2020 is like 20 years since the millennium had started. So they wanted to bring out 20 sporting moments, sportsmanship എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? So they wanted to bring 20 sporting moments to the world and given it to the public to vote, which is your, which one did you like the most? അത് വോട്ടിംഗ് കഴിഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. യു കാൻ വോട്ട്. ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് ടുക്ക് ദ വീഡിയോ. വോട്ടിംഗ് ജയിച്ചത് വി വർ ഫ്രം ഇന്ത്യ. സച്ചിൻ ആയിരുന്നു. സച്ചിന്റെ 2011 വേൾഡ് കപ്പ് ജയിച്ചതാണ് ബിഗസ്റ്റ് സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് മൊമെന്റ്. അത് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് ഐ തിങ്ക് എവറി വൺ വോട്ടഡ് ആൻഡ് ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. So that's another thing. But these are the videos which I liked because sportsmanship in a correct very done. So the video that you just saw right now, it's a lady called Ellis Senmark. Okay. As you saw the video, she had a pulmonary infection, lungs in there, and she was unable to attend the sporting event. But she was taken care by the hospital, and she was very humbled by them because she was given a helping hand. And she didn't take pride in herself, like what she did. So the first point or the first video that I put in the video that I sent to you guys is the characteristic that we have to look out for is humility. So we always have to be humble with what we have. നമ്മളിപ്പം എല്ലാവരും വീട്ടിലാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. We are not on the road right now, and we don't have to go out very often because most of us are working from home, I believe, except a few of us. And whoever is studying as well, or else it's like that. So we all have to be humble with what we have right now in this current pandemic situation as well. So what I have to say is that even in the Bible, God, so the Bible itself, it can be, humility can be interpreted in three ways. Like the humility, it means how you are comfortable with yourself. Okay, so like you have to be comfortable in yourself means you have to be a strong person. You know, you have to know that other people are there which need help, or like you can't be selfish, you can't be careless as well. You should be humble to everyone around you. You can't have that kind of a pride as well. In Philippians 2 chapter 2 verse 3, it mentioned like, do nothing out of selfish ambition, but in humility consider others better than yourselves at all times. So along with that, the first point is always being humble and being comfortable with yourself. And the second point would be humble and recognizing that we need God's help sometimes. We won't, have things going our way. Sometimes we have to depend on God. പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാൻ അറിയാമെങ്കിലും അറിയത്തില്ലെങ്കിലും വീൽ അയ്യോ ദൈവമേ എന്നൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സഹായിക്കണമെന്ന് വീൽ സേ മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ടൈം. So it's a recognition that you need God's help, and you can't truly succeed on your own or your own strength as well. So humility is a form of thanking God for all the credits and accomplishments you had in your life. And the third point of humility would be being aware of gifts that you have been given. Like humble ആവുന്നെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഓക്കെ അവൻ പാവം കൊച്ചിനെ ലൈക്ക് അങ്ങനെ പറയല്ലോ. So that is not enough. You can't always say that I am humble, I don't have to do that or this. You'll have to be aware of the gifts that you have, use it somehow in a good way. എപ്പോഴും പാവാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നാല് you won't do anything. Like you have to put yourself out there somehow, being humble but useful as well. So Ephesians chapter 3 verse 8 says that also I am although I am less than the least of all God's people, this grace was given to me, and the grace was to preach to the Gentiles about the unsearchable riches of Christ. So it's a gift, whoever even if it's a small gift, you don't hide it, you have to bring it out somehow. That's the point I think that can be taken from this. And if you've seen the video, I'm not going to play the video again because of the audio issue which is there. Second video, if you've seen it, or else you can see it later, okay, whoever hasn't seen it. Second video is a video of two brothers. They were running a marathon, and I think his name was Brownlee, and a British brother. So the person who was leading, about last 100 meters, he started fainting. And his brother, even though he has never won a gold before, he was in the second place. And പെട്ടെന്ന് വീഴാറായപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് he was about to leave the track, giving up like that. പുറകെ വന്ന ബ്രദർ, he carried him, തോളത്ത് കൈ വെച്ച് they ran together. Okay, another guy overtook them, let him overtake, but you have to be a helping hand to your brother. Even if it's not a brother, you have to be there. So adana video premises, because if there's anyone who hasn't seen it, do see it. കുറച്ച് 50 MB നെറ്റ് പോയാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ലെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം, കാണണം ആ വീഡിയോ. Or else I'll send the link to everyone, the original link where you can see all the 20 videos. So in that video, it's about telling a helping hand. You should stick out to your friend, or even if it's not a friend, to someone who requires it. Like in this time right now, people are there out everywhere. കുറെ പേരൊക്കെ അങ്ങ് ദൂരെ, ചിലവരൊക്കെ ഇപ്പൊ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കൊക്കെ താമസിക്കുന്നവരുണ്ട് among us as well. They need a help, or they need something like maybe someone to talk to, or even like someone to give them an opportunity to do something different than sitting വെറുതെ വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുന്നതിലും കേട്ട്. So that's the thing, like even in Sabha Prasangi 4 അധ്യായം 9 വാക്യം. Why I'm saying Sabha Prasang is the English word is very hard to pronounce. ആർക്കെല്ലാം അറിയോ? No one knows. I know. No one knows. So that's why I said Sabha Prasangi would take it. So I'll just read out in Malayalam itself. ഒരുവനേക്കാൾ ഇരുവരല്ലേ ഏറെ നല്ലത്, അവർക്ക് തങ്ങളുടെ പ്രയത്നത്താൽ നല്ല പ്രതിഫലം കിട്ടും. Like 2 people are better off than 1 person, so they will help each other to succeed. So that was the only thing, that even Jesus, even though he was the most high king or the son of God, the title was there, but he never placed himself above anyone else. He always placed him, in a position, in a position equal to others. He liked serving. He led by serving others, and that's the reason that we love him, because he is also loved by serving. And he has done many things: washed feet, fed thousands of people. Everything is there, and it's very ironic that humility and helpfulness goes hand in hand. Even Jesus tells that. I think so. Yeah, I written it down somewhere. Yeah, in the previous readout which was there, don't do nothing out of selfishness. Consider everyone, better than yourselves. So serving others is, നമ്മൾ അന്നേരം ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന മുന്നിൽ ഒരാൾ വീണ് കിടക്കുകയൊരു വി വിൽ ഗോ ഹെൽപ്പ് ദം ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ്. ബട്ട് അപ്പുറത്ത് ഒരാൾ വീണ് കിടപ്പുണ്ടെന്ന് അറിയുവാണെങ്കിൽ വിൽ വി ഗോ. വേറെ എല്ലാം വരും എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുമായിരിക്കും. ദാറ്റ്സ് എ യൂഷ്വൽ റിയാക്ഷൻ ദാറ്റ് വി ഹാവ്. ബട്ട് serving others is not, it's not something that happens instantaneously. It's a responsibility that you have. It's been given to you, serving others. Actually, to be a servant, we need to genuinely care about other people. You have to learn about other people, about their difficulties as well. So it's all about keeping our eyes and ears open, seeing other people in distress. We'll have to give a helping hand wherever possible. So it's look out for opportunities where you can help out somehow, like anyone. It can be anyone. So Jesus as well, if you know that Jesus was he had his plan why he was brought to the world, but he was never stressed by, I only have this much time. He was never, I don't know, but he wouldn't have had a timetable for his own, I guess. രാവിലെ ഇത് കാണും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിനിമ കാണും. ഇറ്റ്സ് നത്തിങ് ലൈക്ക് എൻ്റെ ടൈം ടേബിൾ അങ്ങനെയാണ്. വർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഒരു ദിവസം ഒരു സിനിമ കാണും, ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. I don't think about anything else, to be frank right now. So it's like we have to set apart a little time thinking about others or helping out somehow. I don't know. I'm not very, best to explain how, but it's different for every people. So serving others, by serving others, you join in the Lord's work. That's how you become, part of being a better person as well. When you serve others, you're joining in the Lord's work, which He's already doing. Even Jesus has told, whenever we ask, what can I do? I can't do anything. Jesus tells that, follow me, I am already doing. Sometimes you just have to look out, like wherever there is an option or an opportunity to do. Even in Acts chapter 20, verse 35, it is written, it is more blessed to give rather than receive. So it's always better, rather than being selfish, be more helpful. And that's the point which I wanted to do with the second video. And just going ahead in a speedy way, because I know I'm not wasting anyone else's time right now. Third video was a wheelchair hand cycling in the world. Okay, and so if anyone watched the video, they'll understand. The Formula 1 driving is there. It's not Olympics. Okay, Formula 1 racing is there. It's very fast cars, very fast. Even I wish I could go, but India circuit ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. Ashish is very much into cars. I think he has gone to Noida, the place where the circuit is. Cars, Formula One, all of it. So there was a driver called Zanardi in Italian. He was a very good Formula One driver, but unfortunately he had an accident in 2001 and he lost both of his limbs. So you can't drive a car ever in your life again. Everyone will think that. But he had the determination to go ahead, participate again in different events. Racing car odikan kaale illa, but you can always cycle with your hands. So there is an Olympic event called hand cycling. So it's not Olympic, Paralympic. Whoever has a disability. Adila he participated, struggled, and eventually in 2016 he won a gold medal. And that video is very emotional. It made me cry as well, seeing him crying in that. The video കാണുമ്പോൾ you will understand that. So it's right now, and after he won a gold, BMW itself has developed a car where he can drive with his hands without using his legs right now. So it's that if you put yourself down, no one is there going to pick you up. You have to have that determination coming from within right now. Even in these circumstances, you have to remain positive in the pandemic situation as well. So it's not always like, there is a saying that you're not what you think you are, what you think you become. There is a saying like that. It's pretty true, because whatever we think about the circumstances, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ള situation, അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ മൈൻഡ് സെറ്റ് വരുന്നത്. We might, if we look at it in a bad way, we will not take it positively at all. So it's a choice which we have, whether we want to be positive or stay negative throughout, and it's going to hurt your own mind later on. So for anything or any positive feeling that you have to have in yourself, you have to get strength. Of course, strength വേണം, ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്ന് inner strength വേണം. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 says that I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Philippians is repeatedly told when I am telling this right now, because everything is related to joy, happiness and all. So in the video where Sanadi, the driver which I was talking about, he had no doubt in himself, but he was always happy. If you see the video, even though he's cycling, he's always smiling. So there is some contagious thing that a joy can give to another person. If you're happy, automatically another person becomes happy as well. So there is no doubt about that. Laughter, joyfulness is always good for our body, but it remains good for others as well. Being positive, you can spread positive. That's the best thing that you can spread right now. Corona spread, but positivity spreading is the best thing. Like, it is very difficult. Sometimes we might think like there's nothing positive in this. We can't take anything. There is nothing to be made positive out of a certain circumstance. But even in Bible, Romans 8:28, it shows that we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to his purpose. And with all, it means everyone. Whoever has a problem, just remember that it happens for a reason. Just like the pandemic, it could be a reason, because we all had struggles, but something positive came out of it. At least few of us could spend time with our family. Correct. Teenagers ഇപ്പം വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുമല്ലേ, സുഖമല്ലേ, കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഈവൻ ഞാനിപ്പം വീട്ടിലെത്തി, സുഖമാണ്. So there are good things that we can take back from the pandemic situation right now. Positivity, remaining positive, even though there is struggle, think that it's going to be good in a later, like sooner rather than later, better than. So going ahead, that's about the third video. Fourth video which was there was about a weightlifter. Okay, I forgot his name. I've seen the video, but I didn't write it down. He was very much determined, same way as the hand cycling person Sanardi. But unfortunately, he lost his wife 1 year before the Olympics in 2008, held in China, Beijing. But he had to attend, meaning he had to participate, of course, because that's what he does. But he wanted to win gold for his wife. He was unable to do that because it was weightlifting, and you need a lot of strength. You have to try again and again. So he had to make a difference of 10 kgs, and that video, you have to watch it. That's the only word I'm telling right now. You have to watch it, then you'll understand if you haven't. He eventually did it. He, weighed, he lifted 10 kg extra, and he won gold for his wife. So where did he get that courage, or where did he get that strength from? That is something that it's very vague. Did he have faith in himself, or did he have faith in his love for his wife? Avadeyana question then. Like, the characteristic from that video would be faith. Faith is, I don't know how to define faith, but it's written in Hebrews chapter 11 that faith is the assurance for things that we hope for. Right. But courage is the ability to do something that we are afraid of. So only if you have courage and faith together, anything that you wish will happen. So having faith should be there, just like Joshua, and just like strong faith, and not to worry too much in any circumstance or any situation which you are in. The Sermon on the Mount, actually, Jesus then commands his disciples not to worry. Like, I wish Jesus was here right now to tell me as well not to worry whenever I worry too much. അപ്പം എന്നെ ചേച്ചിയായിരിക്കും ചിലപ്പം പറയാം, നീ എന്തിനാ ഇത്ര ടെൻഷൻ അടിക്കും, വിട്ടുകളെ, അങ്ങനെ പറയും. So not always, she might be in a bad mood as well sometimes. അങ്ങനെ എപ്പോഴും പറയത്തില്ല. So even Jesus told, like, don't be worried about your life. So, or don't be worried about what you eat or drink for your body as to what you will put on. Because life is more than food. Life is more than food, body, and clothing. Written in Matthew chapter 6:25. Even going to the next point as well, going to the fifth video, it shows like fellowship which comes up, but having faith is good. Religious faith ആണല്ലോ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിൽ faith വരുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ having it too much can be bad as well. Like, നിങ്ങൾ അറിഞ്ഞാണല്ലോ ന്യൂസിൻ്റെ അകത്തൊക്കെ ഒരു ഉപദേശിയെ ഈയിടെ പെടുത്തിയത് കേസിൽ. Matthew Achajan smile. Matthew Achajan forwards me Instagram videos, whichever I have to see. There was an Ubadeshi that didn't wear a mask, telling that എൻ്റെ വലത്ത് ഭാഗത്ത് 1000 പേര് വീഴും, ഇപ്പുറത്തെ ഭാഗത്ത് കുറച്ച് പേരും കൂടെ വീഴും. I don't know the number. Very bad at memory versus okay. So ഉപദേശി ഇങ്ങനെ ഡയലോഗൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ് പോലീസിനോടൊക്കെ പറയുക. It's short and it's in Instagram, so you should go and watch it. Police then went and chased him, and finally ഇപ്പം പുള്ളി ഒരു ക്രിമിനൽ കേസിൽ പ്രതിയാണ്. Because only reason is he had the wrong faith, or senseless faith, or you can call it blind faith. So faith and courage should be there, but don't go over the top on blind faith, or don't be too overconfident as well. So that's about that. And then fifth point, or the fifth video which was there, was that a person who ran throughout the world, 186 countries, very long marathon was there. I think you should watch the video on that. It tells about how we can do better things together, not just like helping another person, but if you're along with a group or as a fellowship that we have right now, you will be a better, much more awesome version than who we are right now. So that video